Hello everybody, I want to show you this video how you can enable the developer options at the Samsung Galaxy A6 launched in 2018. So first of all, let us go to the settings, scroll down like this, go on the settings symbol, and now you scroll down to the last point, about phone. Tap it. So, and then you go on software information, tap it. So now we need the build number, and you have to tap that build number for 7 times. So more than 7 times, that's not bad. Let's go back one step. Let's go back another step. And now you have below about phone the developer options. And now you are able to enable the stay awake mode or the USB debugging, maybe if you want to transfer some data and so on, or all the other stuff but the developers knows about. Okay, just go back with that and it's done. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I could help you with that. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up, would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created some other videos if you're interested in, and it would be a pleasure to see you again, and maybe until next time. Ciao.